Sylvia with High-Rise Industries here. Getting ready to pour our foundation finally. Concrete is flowing through the tube. I'm going to go on the other side and see where it's coming out. Let me walk you through what we're doing. Using a line pump to finally pump these walls. After 3 weeks of delay, cold weather, ice, rain, everything affected here, we finally can pour these walls. Pretty nice addition to this home. A rear end extension. Okay, you can see the line pump is all the way extended over the wall. We were going to begin at the far side. Just very common here. Did the footing a couple weeks ago, very muddy, and now we're going to go ahead and pour this foundation. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Just a vibrator here. Vibrate the concrete. We have no air pockets in here. You hear it? A lot of mud in here. The ground here is all clay. Water has nowhere to go, but you know, we need to move forward. We need to continue, and the job can't stop. Not a lot of room here, but this is just part of our work. Okay, this foundation was raised about 8 inches because you see those boards above my forms. Okay, we're pouring. Guys are using a vibrator. As you can see, concrete is flowing inside these forms. We added a couple rebars on top of this wall, just for precaution. Okay, not that it was called for, but we put it in and they get a little bit of extra reinforcement alongside these big 3 windows that you see here. Alright, about an hour and a half we'll be done. Okay, moving along nicely. You're going to start straightening out that concrete like I just said. Okay, coming along, removing the hoses, and we're going to start leveling this concrete on top of these forms so we have a nice level wall. Set our anchor bolts in, and this box seam is going to secure to the foundation. About every 3 feet, anchor bolts. Okay, it's coming along. You're coming to the end. Foundation has been poured. We're doing the final stages right here, as you can see. Careful.
Yes, there was mud. I don't know.
Foundation has been poured. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. This is Sylvia with High-Rise Industries, your excavation, concrete, and certified helical piles installation contractor. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.